Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Describe the dresses details, functions and its design, fabrics and outfits. This explains gown features details, lace apicals, castings over soft strands. Connect the dress of the emotional of the days as the steps into the dress. It's not just fabrics that hurts, it's tapestry of memories, dreams, and the joy of maintenance. Her daughter's new beginnings share a personal advance. Much like the mother herself, in dress is both strong and gentle, timeless, popular, a perfect reflection of the love and wisdom she imparts, and with the heartfelt constructions, because every mother deserves to feel as beautiful as the love she has nurtured. Harry to the mother will make every moment unforgettable, melt in a warm, steady tone with a moderate space. Infuse your voice with the appropriate emotion to the which the subscribe. Choose of the install.